Yo, what up, though? It's your boy, Street Coder Nate, and back at it again. It's looking at the wrong camera. What up, though? It's your boy, Street Coder Nate, and we back at it again. Switch the cameras around right now. It's a couple of technical difficulties. Trying to get this all fixed up and whatnot. But in the last live, what we covered was the Felgo. I introduced y'all to Felgo. We designed out the idea that we had, and then we kind of got saw the database and all of that stuff like that. So now in this video or in this live stream, oh wait, and then we ended it with getting stuck with Felgo. And so I did some research using Felgo and whatnot for like what is it? Did some research for like styling and positioning stuff like that inside of Felgo. And right now it's given a little difficult. And I said, you know what? Because it's actually my first time developing an application in Felgo. Remember, frameworks and languages are just a way for you to, they're just a tool for you to build out the actual product. So in that case, I'm like, okay, you know what? Let's just get the job done because we need this email marketing bot out quick. I can create the backend in Python no matter what, I got that. And that's pretty much the actual application. On the front end, like that's just how I'm going to interact with it in the easy way. But I don't have to create the front end in Felgo. I can create it using different technologies. And I mean, I talked down upon the web earlier, but right now I'm like, yo, we can just knock this out in React, Angular, Vue, shoot. And then I thought we can knock it out in Vanilla.js. So what I'm gonna do is just create Vanilla.js front end to interact with my React backend. And as time goes on, if I feel like moving on and updating the code to be Felgo or something as I do more research, then I'll do that. But for now, let's just get the product done and let's get it to use because we need to start using it. So without further ado, what I'm about to do is go ahead and create this repo for the front end part of the marketing bot. Like I said, we're just going to be using Vanilla.js. So just JavaScript files, HTML files, CS files, or CSS files. But I'm going to write this in a way for where it's like a single page web application, if you know what I mean. Like the JavaScript will actually be loading the HTML, but there's just going to be that HTML page that loads all the JavaScript, if you will, kind of like React type shit. So shoot, without further ado, we're gonna knock that upload part out first, and on the front end, then we'll be able to hop over to the back end and knock out that upload part for the back end in this video. And that'd be pretty smooth. So let's hop over there and let's get going. Boom. Also, I reviewed the video last time. I see that some of the code was really, keep thinking the damn camera up there. I seen some of the code is kind of blurry. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to zoom in even more on my screen. I forgot I got this big ass wide screen. I think it's like 32 inches or something like that. It's a big wide one. So like it looked normal to me, but like on smaller devices when you're watching it, it looked, blurry and shit. So now I should be cognizant about. If y'all can't see, let me know in the comments. I fuck with y'all. I bet. Boom, just looking up. So what we need, like I said, I was researching Felgo. This is the React web app. Remember, this is the database. This is the database stuff over there. So what we trying to do though is create. We need to create the home page. And the home page looks like this right here. Oh, this is the home page right here. So in order to create this home page, we need pretty much, this is the page. We need 3 boxes. These boxes need to be able to be clicked on. And then each one of these boxes takes it to a page, if you will. So that's what we need to be able to do in the HTML. So let's set that up real quick. But actually, should we code it up? Should we ideate it out? We already kind of know what to do. I kind of already know what to do, so we're just gonna float through this real quick because I feel like it's taking a little bit of time. So this is the email marketing bot, but that's for the back end. So we need to make a new one for the front end. All right, so now we got the remote repository created. Let's open up terminal. Zoom in, I can see. And we got last, we're gonna see into documents. Then we're gonna see into automations. Then we're gonna see into street coders. We're gonna see into front end. LS. There's nothing in there, so let's make a new one called email marketing. Let's CD into that one. Boom. And then we can go ahead and say code this directory. Cool. That restart Visual Studio, apply the latest. Sure. All right, just have to upgrade Visual Studio real quick. I think I do not disturb mode on Visual Studio. Yeah, that's kind of hard. I don't know how long it's going to take to verify. But okay, so as y'all see right now we are looking at, move this all over here. Right now, we're looking at the code for the back end. This is remember the Python code we wrote last time for our back end, the blueprints. Now what we need is our front end code right here. So what we're gonna have is first an index.html file. Okay, I don't know what just happened there. Okay, we have a index.html. And we can simply do like that. 1 second. I don't have my shortcuts. No, I don't have my shortcuts. All right. Well, I don't have the shortcut, so let's just go to the web real quick and look up HTML boilerplate. HTML boilerplate. Boom, boom. Cool. And HTML boilerplate, we're going to change this to marketing bot automation. Actually, going to change that to marketing I'll link the style sheet. Should take us there. There we go. All right, cool. Work. All right, that. And then our index.js file. Cool. All right, so let's get it cracking. Remember, we need it to look like this. So let's get it popping. First off, we can go live with the live server like that. We ain't got nothing on our page. So let's start getting stuff on our page. All we need is really these 3 buttons. I like a nice background color because why not? Let's go look up ambient colors. CSS. Or not, I like this color. Okay. So, boop, 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 boop. I just need the color codes. Don't want ambient. I don't know why ambient came to my mind. Also like cool color. I can stand it up there. Sound like this, probably. I do like that French blue. Okay. I had to go with the French blue. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here and we'll create a div. And we're gonna do the class name. And the class name is gonna be main. Just lost CSS. almost looks perfect. We got that stuff. We need a CSS reset real quick. Do CSS reset. Add that to the top. Now just put something like CSS reset. Put it for the code. There you go. Over here, we got the full page. That. All right, this blue smooth. All right, so 3 buttons to pop up. So I'll say I want one right here, right here, and right here. So how I'm gonna do it is use flex. Let me get inside of here. It's a good point right now where I'm at. Basically, I wonder if I should add the color to the, not to the app container, but to the page that comes. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So basically this div is gonna be container for the page. Yeah. Bet. It's blue. Let's see if I do it here. When does this ever happen? Don't say the width and the height would defaulted to this parent container. But you know what? Forgot. Yeah. Let's go display flex. Okay. So now I have to put this in the middle. Justify content center. Oh, actually, I probably don't want to do all of that because that's the page container, right? Oh, that's. I just want to display. Because the app container is going to be flex. So the items that is going to flex, they're all going to be different. I really feel like all it needs to do is just set the height and the width and the height and the width. It's the page container. Fuck it. And it should be display flex. Okay. It's lost. Okay. Now we need these 3 clickable items. So we need to go ahead and flex this shit. Get the page container. I'm gonna call this the button container. I mean, it's a bit more entertaining. Play some music. Oh, I don't know, shit just didn't die on me like that. Let's see. If I play some music off my laptop. Probably won't be able to hear it. I know for sure I won't be able to hear it off my iPad. So, you know what? Let me do something. Let me screenshot this. So this is what we're doing. Now, can disconnect that. Boom, have that right there. So that cool. All right, put some music.
Who's going up? Are you in the mafia? Walked in the club, 10, 20, 30 bitches, dog, and they think it's fun. Man, they so drunk, man, they fucking drunk. She was spitting my ear, turn her up, caught her out in the car, run it up, walking out the club, it's the end of the party, and I'm throwing up.
Yeah, it's a little bit more entertaining now.
Catch your ass to some fingers, what you throwing up? Catch your ass at the light, throwing up.
Picked out some Detroit shit. Who's going up? Flags. Yeah, I feel like I'm tapped in now. All right, so we got the class. Actually, we don't even need the class on this one. No, we do need the class. So I smacked that bitch up. Had to rep that bitch up. 10, 20, right? Rich as fuck. Right. So this button is going to be the upcoming email button. Turn it up. Turn it to a slut. All I want is the bag. She just wanna fuck. We got choppers on the rifles like a hunt ducks. Yeah, I'm sipping acorn. This bitch get drunk. And all that nigga know is run it up. We can have a conversation like a hundred up. All these bitches on my head right now, I'm bumming up. Shirt off, you see the shred tatted on my stomach. Ride with the skill, take it out 100 something. And the clip heavy from her like a set of chopper bullets coming out look like some bitches running. Left him on the shit bag when it hit his stomach. Laptop diagonal. It's a Draco in it. I don't say what up, so I don't play with niggas. I make them niggas. Everything. That's crazy. All right, look like it's in our configuration that we wanted in. See the two on the top and the one on the bottom. These hoes about smaller than the bitch, right? And we need to put some words in them. Let's do that. Rams, I'm trying to get all right. Okay. We starting to get somewhere. All right, let's see if we can, for the bottom row. Make it green on. Turn it down a little bit so I can still hear me. No, that shit over. I put a switch on it. I put a brake on it. I put some wick on it. All right, so we got the bottom row. We want to style that up to be a flex container. That's what I'm into. My bitch got mad, told me to leave, bitch. I was into. I need an instrumental. I'm a mentor. He was 6'4". Let's get it. It's in the middle now. All right, bet it's definitely starting to look like how it's supposed to look. So let's give it some padding, make that bitch a little bigger and shit. And then, then we're just gonna have to write the code for when we click on the buttons. A lot easier than the Felgo is what I'm trying to get at. This shit a lot easier. Just get the job done. You feel me? All right, bet. Cool. So now what we need is to add some padding on these hoes. I got cocaine to sell. That shit is dumb as fuck. My thumb's numbing up. Trying to help me. Ooh. You must not love your family. Then I love my granny. That line's so questionable, I just don't understand sometimes. Alright, let's get it. So what we gonna need is some damn padding to begin with. Let's get about a padding of 2 rounds. See what that look like. All right. See, the thing is though, I kind of want them all to be the same width and height. So let me take the padding off. Actually do something like width and height. Let's give it about a 200 rim. No, that's way too much. About a 30 rim. Wait, too big. Look like some hot dogs. That one's smart at all. Yeah. And he got lockjaw. From my auntie Lisa. It was too repeated. Pussy had a little stench on it, but the hair was strategic. I can't remember that bitch name, but the pussy decent. All right, cool. Now what I do need is some room around these hoes. And bring speakers up. She key in your truck. Don't lie to me, baby, just be your front. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to put some margin on him. Drop a nigga. Cookies low as fuck. I just put Hercules in the blunt. The fuck is weekend up? Yeah. You might get on some stupid shit. Buzz on the top, but it sound like it's Putin and shit. All right, my nigga, why is this one rounded, but the other one not? Anyone else catch that? Like this button rounded and not the other one? Ain't shit else different about these hoes. Nah, ain't claustrophobic, young dog, don't sit lean no more. Buddy off and roll it. And talk, yeah. Maybe because it's justified content. Yeah, that's what it is. This nigga's so fast. Being broken in the gym bag. Met him at Six Flags. Hold up. I got that shit on me. I whipped a stick on him. All right, sound smooth. Let's give it a little height. Can we go 15 round? Height 15. We got 15. Like these. Yeah.
Okay. Everybody put their Glocks in the put your shit up. You got to stick on your shit. You got to 50 on your shit. Put your shit up.
All right. Cool. These looking smooth. We got it about right. All right. So now what we just need to change the colors and shit. Yeah. It's that shit.
They shot. They couldn't save me. We was getting busy up in
That's on my baby. And these live streams about to be live as hell. Oh, I'm about to be wilding on these bitches. Come on, we still coding this shit. We getting shit done. All right. Let's get the border color. All right, what should we make these buttons? What color should we make them? I think they all should be different colors. Yeah, make them a little different colors. All right, let's fuck with the first button then. Well, at least we can get the font going. Yeah. I can take this off now. We already know. Swear to God. Yeah. She feel safe with us whenever she with gang and make her wet. Yeah, we don't do the social tweet. These niggas too internet. Go live to the top of got shot, you don't get into that. You leave it up in the streets for me. I ain't trying to go to jail. You mention my name in all of your posts. They ain't want to tell. If you get smoked, they gon' come looking for me. They gon' dumb as hell. This bitch ain't got love. Weak, she must be drunk as hell. I can't let no suck bitch. I love how they suck dick. Once I get my nut off, bitch, I'm skating like some Chuck Fit. You know what? Hold up. Kind of like that right there. I like that as some background though. Yeah. Yeah. How many times I gotta tell niggas I'm the GOAT? Yeah. Yeah. On Rodeo Drive. Took a picture with a nigga, bitch, he better take it down. Nigga 17, so you running on the Lakers now. Ain't for the head dress, gotta take her now. Oh, pockets filled up. Deep riding in the rental when we peeled out. Where I go, they pay $30 just for field dust. Come around talking all that raw, we gon' kill blood. Get it, playing crazy, we gon' feel good. I don't give a fuck who said you clay when that stick bust. I ain't gon' lie, I can't sleep when a nigga says that. Drake smoke and put a nigga down, but it got me up. I ain't about to walk shit, bitch, I'm tryna run it up. Blew a like 60 on my neck, I need a smoke. He come through in the clutch. You ain't see your bitch in months. Yeah, come get it. To each other, now they clicking up. Ran into an Instagram nigga on the streets, now you bitching up. Look, how is you cut if you ain't really down the ride? Walking around alone with your bitch. And some Gucci slides. Time to time. I think she lying. All right, that ain't bad. Cool little UI. Bet. Now we just need these hoes to load different JavaScript shits. So let's get it going. Looking just like the UI. So we need to add some on-click handlers. We're gonna do that in the JavaScript. So it's been a minute since I did some vanilla JS. I'm gonna go pull up. touch me, you gonna bleed. Query selector. Oh, that's what I need. Okay, cool. So we need to grab some elements real quick. We need to grab this element, that element, and that element, those three buttons, so that when we click on those buttons, a function can run. So let's go grab those buttons. Yeah. So in order to grab those buttons, we gotta hit back to the HTML. We gotta look at these buttons real quick. We're gonna grab them with query selector. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the upcoming email, recently sent, and then the upload. Let's get it. So we come over here, and we go const, and we go, what I said, upload, email, button, equals document, query, selector, and then go ahead and put the dot. Boom. Something like that. So const upload email button equals document.query selector, get the email button. And then we got const. We also got the recently sent emails button. Let's make sure that's spelled the same way as the send button. Frying nigga. How much a human being costs? I'm trying to buy a nigga. Tell my brother, you buy a Swisher. Nope. Unless it's for the hoes. Unless it's for the pros. Then we got the upcoming. Stupid. That's a belly button. Or my skelly jumping. I don't fuck with rats. I had to throw my hat away because I don't fucking cat. Bitch, I'm popping out the stomach tags. Bitch, I'm too popping out the nose ring. I get excited every time my foot phone ring. All right, bet. So we got our 3 buttons. Now we need to add. Shit, I should be more interactive. All right, so now we got our 3 buttons. Now we need to add event handlers to these buttons using JavaScript. So let's tap into that. All right, bet. So we come back over here and we see the way that we add event handlers is you go whatever the variable name is. So oops. My granny called me with that word, read me a Bible script. Mainly like that. And brought a knife with it. Like Michael Myers did. All right, bet. So what y'all just seen was GitHub Copilot just help a nigga out real quick. Basically, I'm about to add an event handler so to the upload email button, meaning that when I click this upload CSV, I don't know why I call that upload email. It's supposed to be upload CSV. Upload. I wonder if y'all caught that. Anybody else caught that? Upload CSV. Upload CSV button. Yep. Glad I caught that before the code ran. All right. Upload CSV button. About to add an event handler. So when I click on this hoe, it's gonna take me to what the upload CSV page is supposed to look like. But right now, all we're gonna do is do a console.log, upload CSV button, click. All right, so let's run this. You take catnaps. Yeah. Trying to make it real quick. All right, let's see. We got to open up the inspect. Go to the console. Click this off. And we got to refresh it real quick. All right, ain't nothing happening. Upload CSV button. It ain't doing nothing. So let's see what's wrong real quick. Upload CSV button. Upload CSV button. Make sure that's the same. Yep, that should give me that one. Oh, that's why. I'm dead. Had that all wrong when I was writing that HTML. Anybody else be getting messed up by the indents? There you go. Now let's get it. Come on. It ain't coming. Oh, wait. Let me see. Let me refresh. Dog. Did I put it on the wrong one? Oh, there we go. Okay. There was a filter on that hub. It is right there. Upload CSV button. Click. Do it again. There you go. Upload CSV button. Click. There we go. Everything's smooth. Everything's smooth. We good. We good. All right, bet. So we got our upload CSV, and it is printing out what it's printing out. But what we wanted to do instead is actually take us to the upload CSV page. So let's get that going. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and make this. We're gonna make another index.html, and with this index.html, we're gonna do some fun stuff with it. What we actually gonna do with this index.html is gonna be our temporary index.html. It's gonna be. My bad, that's fine. Just fuck me up. All right, but it's gonna be our temporary HTML. This is where we're gonna build out our HTML components, but then we actually gonna remove them and put them into JavaScript, and then the JavaScript is gonna load it. So right now we're just gonna create just this temporary HTML file real quick. If y'all got any questions or anything, shoot, put them in the chat. Like I said earlier, I'm just seeing me code in my natural habitat. I listen to music, I be vibing, I explain this shit, just try to have conversation with me, just keep it cool. I'm just vibing. Shout out to the doctors. All right. Have my bitch get a rental, hit the road, get it off. These niggas all talk, if they really how to plug, how them niggas fall off. I've been fucking with it all, have my bitch get a rental, hit the road, get it off. I was saying for my actions. Bless me with the package. That is some shit you can't believe, folks. My Obama phone slapping. With this bitch and Grand Rapids. I'm eating with you, nigga. I had my bitch get around, hit the road, get it up. These niggas all talk, if they really had a plug, how them niggas fall off. I been fucking with it all, had my bitch get around, hit the road, get it up. Look like it's working. Let me just go ahead and add a H1. Yeah, it worked. Okay, let's get it back. Boom. Right now, we go ahead and click on that. Take us to the email marketing temp page right now. And instead, we're gonna do on this click is gonna load that actual JavaScript, but we want to build out what this page gonna look like first. So, what is this page gonna look like? Let me send a screenshot to myself and pull it up. I've been fucking with it off. I'm not bitch, get it run on, hit the road, get it off. These niggas all talk.
Get up, boy, shit. 20 racks cash, a pint of glass in the can. Kid dog should just claim crispy like I put a can on them. Put a lot of ice in the cup. Pour a 8 on them.
All right, bet. So we need this page to look like this. Pretty much just a header and then an icon, it could be an image or whatnot, and then upload. So let's knock that out real quick. Boom. So we're gonna kind of do it just like this one. We're gonna have a page container. This should be the main page container. Main page container. Boom. Sound like that. Main page container index. Cool. So temp over here is gonna be something like that. And this temp is gonna have but instead of main page container, it is going to have upload CSV page container. Actually, keep it clean. This is going to be upload CSV CSS. Make sure we import that into the HTML. Call that one. We get it in, I want to see a nigga, bro. Poker plug, you can home back, dope. Still got my receipt green. Fuck this, and fuck these bitches. Yeah. See my motherfucking energy. My rich nigga grand. Public plug, you can home back, dope. All right, bro. I'm gonna mess with you, man. Hustle in the bubble. You said you out in Michigan, but you stay out in Flint. And you say you code. What you be coding on? What type of stuff you code? Sure, I be looking for people to code with, bro. I just be kicking it, man. This is what I really be on a daily, man. Anything I need to code, I just be coding. Hey, well, no, hey, my LB from Flint. Y'all, the Flint niggas really be claiming they shit. I feel like after that water crisis, everybody in Flint like, yeah, don't fuck with Flint. But I still got my rich niggas grand. New to JavaScript, Kotlin, Swift. Okay, bet. So you into like mobile applications and shit, right? Yeah. See, I'm trying to get into mobile applications, but right now, man, I've just kind of been on a web thing. But like, okay, I actually know Swift. I took 2 Swift classes, and so I know Swift pretty well. I just never had a project that I wanted to use Swift with, so I just never did it. But shoot, I'll always be down to work on some stuff. Yeah. Trying to fix me. But I still got my rich nigga dread. Fuck these jealous assholes, I wanna see a nigga broke. Fuck the plug, if he home back, dope. I wonder why this shit tripping. Oh, this one importing the wrong style sheet. That's why. That's why. Okay. 2 different. Oh yeah, look at me. Getting the. Although this is temporary, I still need to import the damn. There you go. And I gotta do the damn CSS reset. With my rich nigga green. But I still got my rich nigga green. Fuck these jealous assholes, I want to see a nigga broke. Fuck the plug if he home back, dope. This app gonna be random as hell with the color scheme. Maybe I can make sense of it. I'll do a whole bunch of different blues type shit. Make it look dope. From the D to the A, nigga, bitch. I really be out here trying to find the perfect colors. Oh yeah, hold up. I think we might have hit some right here. It's some old Pistons colors right here. 810, what's that? 8 bands? Yeah, that's the move right there. Yes, sir. Let me drop the email for you real quick. That's the email, streetcodernate@gmail.com. Send me an email, bro. Like, shoot, you got any work or anything, like any documents, anything you would like to see on the live streams or recorded course or video, shoot it my way, man. Like, a lot of the things that I'm about to start doing is making courses for university students for the projects that they got going on. So pretty much like when they have a project, like University of Michigan, we used to get about 4 projects a semester, and students used to struggle with them. But they used to go to office hours and look for help and whatnot, but they couldn't get that help. So what I realized is like, shoot, I could be an office hour tutor and do the projects and show them how to get through the projects, and just selling for like $2.99 or something online and help people out and just make a quick little dollar or something like that. So like a lot of things like that come out with a lot of documentations about just random stuff that you would have never known with computers. Like I did a lot of research over the last couple years, and a lot of big things that's on YouTube about computer science, not really the things that they're doing in secret right now. Like the things that they're doing in secrecy is literally like if that shit became mainstream, we could be living in the Jetsons. We could be living in like we could be traveling the galaxy type shit, like UFOs, like brain ring technology shit. Look up Project Avatar. The government is out here putting the consciousness of human beings into robots and having them go fight and stuff. And if they die, they ain't got like none to yes sir. They ain't got nothing to worry about because their consciousness goes back into their body. It's like all this technology is out here and it's thanks to like computer science, but like we all kind of blinded by it, by the things that we're going through in life and whatnot. So I just kind of about to be showing all of these things. Right now, I'm creating this email marketing bot, something real cool, smooth that anybody could use. Show you how to use ScrapeGram so you can get you an email marketing list, and then showing you how to create the bot so that you can start sending you out some emails automatic without having to write one word, really, just writing the code for it. So I'm really trying to show y'all the superpowers that's the coding, but it's gonna be even more project after this. I got a robot. We're gonna be putting that together, and but we also gonna be putting we're gonna add some additions to it. So the robot's gonna be able to move around and whatnot. But I got these claw hands that I want that I'm buying off Amazon or eBay. And really, the robot will be able to move. But I got these sensors so that they can see around, and it's gonna have these claw hands, and it's gonna be able to pick up and like do little tasks around the house. I'm gonna build that all together. I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can make your own little maze with just a couple of dollars and some computer science knowledge. So right now I'm studying circuits and stuff, so I don't blow nothing up when I wire everything together. All right, bro. I mess with you. Email me, bro. I email back. I ain't got nothing else to do. Like I quit my job at Microsoft. My last day is on the 29th next Friday. So all I'm really doing is dedicating my entire time to teaching, YouTube, and just being out in the community, inspiring and helping the Black community see that they can get to the same level that I was able to get to, and they ain't got to start with nothing. Man, it was hard to balance both, man. Like when I first started, it was real hard to balance it. So what I said was, man, you really worked hard to get to Microsoft, so just give Microsoft your all. So over the last few months, I've been giving Microsoft my all, and I've been kind of like taking off at Microsoft managers and teammates, but then also people who are mentors. I couldn't think of the word mentors. They all pretty much was just like, bruh, like you're taking off, like you starting to kill it, like we starting to see you a good developer. I'm like, cool, but whole time as I'm taking off, man, like I'm just sick, man. I'm sick to my stomach because like really, like my YouTube ain't really getting no love. I ain't making no podcasts. I ain't really helped too many people. It's feel like I was just kind of like doing it for me, working at Microsoft. After I got off Microsoft, I'd be a little too tired to, do work and shit. So I just took a bunch of months off, and I was just like, man, I want to get back to teaching. I want to get back to inspiring. I love that I know I can do this coding shit in corporate. I went to the top at Microsoft, and I see that I can do this shit. So I'm like, cool. I validated to myself. But now I'm like, I want to make sure that other people can do this. I want to make sure that I can get other people here and they can do the same exact thing. So, I mean, I got connections with Microsoft. I got connections at Google. I got connections at Facebook, Apple, all the big names. And then also a lot of smaller companies. And what I'm trying to do is learn how to work those connections, get into maybe create a non-startup or non-profit startup and stuff, and start funneling people through street coders, through that nonprofit, and getting y'all to these companies and getting these bags. And I'm telling you, I was making over $200K as a 24-year-old. I was 24, I was making over $200K. If you look that up, that's in the 95th percentile. And I'm like, bro, all you need is the right teacher and the right person to get you right. And you can get jobs like this easy because Microsoft, Google, Facebook, I'm getting hit up by them all the time in my inbox. And I'm like, Microsoft, I'll work for y'all, first of all. So y'all should already know not to hit me up for recruiting. But Google just hit me up literally yesterday and asked me if I wanted to do interviews with them and shit. But like, that's what it is, man. It's like, all you need is that knowledge, and you just need to show it a couple times, and all these companies will hit you up. Which I say, the Microsoft on the resume makes it official. Yeah, man. So, I'm probably about to swing that a lot, man. I went to University of Michigan. I got Microsoft on my resume now. So it's like, I came from a good background in terms of knowledge and showing that I was able to do the shit. So now I can really take that and inspire other kids, man. Like, they used to call me like the cool teacher. I miss that, man. I miss going to these classes with these students, and these white people, like these white teachers be like, man, it's just impossible. And then I get in there and I talk to them, we having fun, we laughing, and by the end the kids is knowing computer science. And I'm like, man, they not bad kids. You just need to learn how to connect with them. And I miss that, man. Oh, you went to Washington. Hey, did you know Jordan? Or Gordon, he also went to Michigan, but he went to Washington, and he also just graduated from Harvard. But he went up to Washington. He was cool. You probably know Roller, maybe Roller. Oh, you went in 08. Yeah, these niggas is kind of old though, actually. I wouldn't be surprised if they was there in 08. They gonna watch this and be like, nigga, I ain't that old. All right, let's see though. All right, cool. But let's see. We need to make this app look like this. We need to make this upload page look like that. So this is what we got so far. And if we go back, this is the original page, and then we say upload a CSV. This pops up, but we need it to look like this. So what we're gonna do is have a top part, and we're actually gonna change that top part color to something smooth, maybe white or the black color font. And then this bottom part gonna be the same color as it already is. And then we're just gonna have an image there with an upload button. So let's go ahead and knock that out real quick. So we're gonna need, so we already got the page container. So inside the page container, let's create the container for the top part and the container for the bottom part. So we'll call this div.top container. Turn that up a little bit. Peace, page. Gotta get back to work. Big up, keep up the good work. Appreciate y'all for stopping by, showing some love, man. I'm here every day, man. Y'all can come in, tap in. We tapped in. Let's keep knocking this shit out. I'm the fucking Brown. You know my fucking phone. I got a new keyboard, so I'm learning this keyboard because you gotta press like extra commands just to use the arrow. Like you gotta press a couple buttons. It's the Red Dragon keyboard. It's smooth though. It's a mechanical one. It's got like different colors and shit on it. Not to use in this little trackpad. This boy nice on Apple. I just call him Surge. Damn fly floating around. All right. So we got our top container, and then we got our bottom container. All right. So in the top container, first off, we want this upload CSV page to be a flex box, and then we're gonna want it to be. Let's actually make it a row and give it a height. Yeah, let's do that. Upload CSV. So we got background, display flex, justify content center, but actually will we in the line items? Nope, we don't need all of that. We don't take all of that.
So what then? Hold on everything. That's right.
Yes.
Operations. The board of directors. So big.
Bro, why is this fly fucking?
Drop cool beans, it's a summer with. See me tomorrow, I'm in some other shit. Same ones I struggle with, the same ones I'm stunting with. Get it up the face, move it up without touching. She's crazy on my son, ran it up on drugs, money in the president slums. Walk in the city, we heavy as they come. Got a crib in Arizona, be ready and fun. Got a crib about Texas, and be ready in the bed. What's an I'm getting straight about my trenches. Ain't like the president, cause died in the city. You might see me by myself, I guarantee I got a weed. Got a plug out, cap, crib shopping in Miami. Bought a Prezi off, hand in hands, and just like a grand. Bitches from my past still bragging how they had. Shit a nigga talk, not too many understand. But you now they up in niggas, Cali in the meat, crib bigger than the churches and the process of the preaching. I'm back in the He's never tell nobody outside of the family what you think. Got my left wrist free.
Right wrist free.
Plain tag, march around Constantine. This shit different. Cut it out the mud, now my drill look like him. Pussy niggas in me when you get it, cause they pinch. Yeah, the back wheels and they self when I'm passing. The back streets turned me up when I was trapping. Made another hit, ain't get a chance to spend the last minute. Everybody got the cardio out to stay like assholes. Put on brand new shit to take the trash. So that I already in a half out, started with a half out. To the hood, I chased out. We was chasing custos before they chased clock. Running out of stash, used to bag work, I was running out of plastic. Running off, boy, you just run into a casket. While we in the club, popping bottles by the casket, passing them out laughing. Reading them bloods, eating shrimp, talking expansion. Reading for hooks for my kids outside the mansion. Selling the smoke.
Looking good, looking good.
I just turning the rifles when you pass.
See, we're 25. Okay. 25. Oh, 25 from 25. Okay, bet. So now we're gonna go ahead and put some text up in here. And I got yeah.
Ready, you smell it in the crib. I got snapped off. Fuck getting cussed out. Long as I ain't hurting, I zip it fine. When I was 16, said I was gonna buy a birdie. You ain't working, nigga, fine. In the day that I ain't started. Young nigga, lot of slabs. Stay around grams. Call me, you out of town. 100 million my plans. Now I come from no sleep. I'm here running the streets. Call it shot time. Cheap young nigga. Wish you was me. Wish you could be in the spot, feeling it all.
All right, cool. We getting close. Now we just need this image and this button. Yeah, I'm on Obama Texas Tangent. Yeah. Big. Yeah. Because they can lock me in it. Just cut down off 75. So I paid her to drive. You gonna give me the time. You better get shorter or I'm giving you my broke days, no hope days. I can do that. I can do that. Let's see what GPT talking about. Cause I'm a motherfucking rapper. Yeah, let's get a bag. Yeah, I'm on Obama Texas Tangent. But they can let me up. Yeah, just touched down off 75. So I paid her to drive. Man, set these hoes up as a column, huh? Damn.
Closet like Priscilla's, we got all the straps. Dope game, murder game, I'm with all of that. Mama see the stash, fuck around and have a heart attack. Spinning pill money like a rap check.
Being meek, never the same tax bracket.
I was in the shell, now I'm back crack. 30 3 racks off a walk through, I let sex happen. Real CEO, I might sign you up. Put your baby on the track if you're trying to bubble. Swerving lane to lane while I ride them up. Fuck around, spilling drinks trying to dodge the clubs. Used to sell chickens, now it's real estate. Still getting chicken, got a big plate. I'm a married man, I ain't finna cake. Bitch, you wanna cross that line, I'll win a race. Yeah, winter time, got a winter race. Cash mine, I ain't rent rates. Crooked nigga had to get it straight. $1,000 dog pound like my nigga Nate. Rest in peace. Nate Dogg, rest in peace, Nate Dogg. All for son. I'm gonna get it back up. Yeah. 30 round clip, bitch, don't mug. Still sipping at click, I'm judged. 566 shit ain't hood. And I give a fuck about a hoe my bitch dug. Yeah, I put 20,000 on the fish game. Niggas still talk me at them bitch games. I was in Miami in a fish tank. Fuck around and crash a Rory around the bitch game. Ghetto nigga from the slums built the empire. Nigga,
that's the empire.
been the son of the whole city like an empire. All my baby mama tits,
No, they said
higher.
higher.
Sign another stupid deal with Gucci wheels. Even though that Puma deal was lucrative. When I get tired of Eddie V's, who Chris is. Hour off white from shoes to head.
Yeah. That's the wide open. I heard you got a man with a man out here. I'm be a dead nigga. We can bust it wide open. Bust it wide open. I know you got a man with a man in here. So have a couple drinks and then back to the crib. We can bust it wide open. Bust it wide open. Looking for a bust it open, girl. Is you the one your friend keep looking, but I want you to come. Class is this. Upload. Get harder than a brick wall. I want all that shit off. I'm trying to ball hard. I ain't trying to have another kid, baby. So have a couple of drinks and we back to the crib. We can bust it wide open. Bust it wide open. I know you got a man, but your man ain't here. So have a couple of drinks and we back to the crib. Bust it wide open. I can't keep up two things. Play with a bitch brain.
Chill shit, products polo, no change. That's poking on my rocks like the soda whole thing. When I think she was people with me, so shot shit like I ain't cheap, strap more, I be on that block. She heard I fucked a lot of hoes, make a lot of money. I snapped a little bitch.
She like nigga was funny.
Girl, I got a sweet boy with it.
I ain't saying you a freak.
But I'm drunk and you drunk. Yeah,
We focus between you and me.
she said you crazy, but
We hop in the truck.
we on the freeway to the one.
Her nigga blowing her up.
If you answer shit, say you with your girl or something. She said, fuck him, I hate him, so tonight we fucking. We at the room, she did the pool on the dick, throwing it back while I sit the road saying, girl,
You ain't doing shit. You got a man with a man. Coming back to the crib. Bust the world up, baby. This bitch wanna put me in, but ooh, shit free, so I hit her on the low. Alright, bet. Yeah, I'm done with this one. Yeah, I talk that shit because I laid up. Yeah. Cause I sell that. Just got my silk snatch in the Hellcat with some Ruchis on it. I put the coochie on it. You know, coochie on me. Yeah. Yeah, I talk that shit because I live that. God bless the mafia. We gonna do a lot for you. Hey, God, God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. All right, boom. Looking like I ended up closing. Open it back up. Something like that. Got the upload CSV, got the upload picture, and got the upload button. Now what we need to do is when we click this, we need to go ahead and add we need to pop that upload thing. So let's do that. We're gonna be using this input to do that. So let's go here. We're gonna need some JavaScript. So let's create a JavaScript file. We're gonna upload csv.js. Let's get our variables. We need the upload image. Document. Query selected all. Energy. Kennedy. 63. I do remember me. Got the image. You also gonna need the button. And we're gonna need the input. So get all three of them. You got some different weed. I need a 10 G. I just want the half now while I look like a black Asian man. Just gotta add some crazy. It's like a backbreaker. I'm a backbreaker. So we're gonna do upload image. Oh, yeah, just like that. Cool. Let's see. Let's get the shit off, plugged in. I can get the urge for $6. My son likes steak. You ain't never ate no McDonald's. Left school, went straight to work. I can skip college. I never loaded it. I can hear that big TikTok. Niggas fucked up, do anything for a quick dollar. Niggas said I'm broke. That's like saying you seen the sick doctor. Boom, they did it. You click the upload, and you click on this button. Cool. I go upload the CSV. Let's tell it the type should be CSV. Let's get it. Okay, I'm live. Hi. If I want a nigga gone, he a dead man. Say my name on the song, he a dead man. Trying to help me out your niggas, that's your man's ass. Nigga leave his whole body bloody, call him red man. Fuck with me, I come to where you stay, then walk in your house with peace. Like I finna move in. Like you say that I don't wanna see you buzz land. Niggas in your backyard and on your front grass. And they don't shoot cribs, they gon' give you one chance. Like nigga, come outside or we gon' come in, boy. Everything, I come on the street. Now it's only going to allow me to upload CSV files. All these other ones I can't upload, only CSV. Cool. And that's when I click on that. So now after I click on this and the value changes, I'll go upload. So now the value should have changed. And now because the value has changed, when I click upload, I should take that value. I should take that value and send it to the back end. So let's end up doing that. So there you got upload CSV. Take these leads, press upload, boom. So now these leads exist somewhere on the front end, but now we need to send them to the back end. And so where they exist at is, they exist up in this input, but it's value. So what I could do is, let's do upload button. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do console.log upload input files.0, like that. Now if we go here, upload CSV, upload, go click that, you see that it's a file type. The name leads, just like that. Let's see if y'all can see that. When I click upload, I can do it again. When I click upload, this file is printed out with these different attributes, name, size, type. So cool. So we got the file. We see that the file lives up inside upload input.files 0. So now all we need to do is just send upload input.file 0 to the backend. So we can just quick little Google that. How to send an HTTP request to the backend. So let's do that real quick for a file. So we'll go to Safari and go JavaScript send HTTP post request with file. Let's see. I don't need JS. How do I post requests using JavaScript right there? So first off, I need to get one of these XML HTTP objects. Files. Get your shit. All right, bet. So now we got our object. This is what's gonna help us create this post request. So we go hhr.post. Should be .post. HR. Set request header. Oh yeah, actually we need to do that. That onload data equals. Oh, okay. So that's how you gotta send it. Okay. So let me see. Send file with upload file with Ajax. Yup, right there. That's what I mean. Exactly.
I do this shit with no effort. I can do this shit with no effort. Nigga, shoes to the house. I took your bitch to that all the time.
I don't like that. Another way. Everybody using form data. Only way I've got. Let's see what else. I guess I gotta make the form data shit. Cool. So it's gonna have to be like. Let me move this over here. One time for them birds, we are coming by the fly, nigga. One time for the real niggas, we hustle. And niggas bustin' no fool, you think we tussle. Oh shit, GPT-3 already know what to do. Cool. But then I gotta send that post request. If I can't get the head with it, talking to the breadwinner. Oh yeah, I can use the fetch. That's what I thought I was using. Fetch. Okay, I'm about to do it this way. We already got this set up like this. Open. I can't there your niggas at. All right. So basically, when I click this button, we're gonna create a form data. We're gonna pin the file there. I'll send a new XHM request to the backend server. Right now, it just says /upload CSV, but I'm about to change that soon. And we're gonna open that connection, then we're gonna send it. Cool. So that's the JavaScript. So now what I'm about to do is come over to the Python real quick. In Python, we're gonna need to shit. Yep, fuck some shit up. Yeah, you gotta say you real. If you real and like you see. All right. Oh, fuck no. Real niggas ain't gotta say they real. 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 Tripping on my bosses, I can always get it back. Ain't tripping on my ex. Oh, thank God for GitHub. I'm not trying to rewrite all of that. Hey, I gotta do that. Everybody ain't you, my nigga. Everybody ain't me. If you really like to see it, nigga. If you really like to see it, nigga. Ain't gotta say they real. Real niggas. Ain't gotta say they real. Real niggas. I ain't just really no money. They never be a back. Niggas still get back on the mess. Oh yeah, forgot to do that. Everybody ain't me if you really never seen me. Oh, yeah.
Me and some of my family, we ain't that close no more. I got some anger built inside me, I control it though. My mom was out here running while I couldn't control it, bro. The first nigga from the family.
That's what I was trying to do to begin with. All right. So, need to come over here to Hello World real quick. Actually, nice. Routes. We're going to have a route for main. Oh no, this ain't on main. This is upload CSV. Pod. All right, so let's create some blueprints real quick. First move, right along, left hand, rock. If you know me, then you know I'll be jumping out. You on the phone, acting reckless. You don't disrespect us. Nigga, stop. You work at ABC warehouse. 9 to 5, that's cool. Nothing about the baby move. This is backside the mattress. It ain't a lot of money if your feelings out the pocket. But we the main topic. All right, bet. So now what we need to do is go ahead and make a post request. What is this? Upload emails. Post. On the streets. Just add a few zeros. Turn. Uncripple that bitch. And I trick on that bitch. Catch up, we didn't mix up, we on the Rex. Drinks on us, that's what I call flexing. For her best friend, Terry, seemed like I want HBK. She see the nigga necklace I never seen. Nigga that be dressing like he dressing. Yeah. Yeah. First, you gotta chance it. Shout out to her that my man's here. All right, here we go. Let's see if it works. Check the network. Came back red. Let's roll.
Shout out my nigga Dave from the 305. Disrespect one of my guys, nigga, we gon' slide. Real Potter Hole 8, I need 3 more lives. See the nigga I shot last week, he hit me 3 more times.
I need a chorus thing.
So watch it close. Pop the nigga backstage, they had to stop the show.
Real quick.
I need a lot of hoes. This my new plug, I'm some bold, I got time to smoke. Hit the road with your bitch, shit, lip driving. Made her ass get out the car, now she hitchhiking. Niggas always gonna be broke, cause y'all misguided. I just roll a fire first, watch me ignite it. A lot of blocks in this car, nigga, be legit.
Fuck 50 Cent.
Real pulled out all blues like a 50 strip. I'm playing with the dog food, he got 50 pits.
Catch me with your bitch smoking Zell. Playing with a pussy look like Spider-Man shooting webs. I might pull up in that beamer, how about fresh as hell. Sipping on that mud, moving like a snail. Niggas say they getting money, I can hardly tell. You got jail while you trapping the dip on the bell. I was in the dice game, I still short you twice. Sold juice to a fake person, scamming for his life. Get the bitch to dick and call that shit a night. Pour the cup, pop the perk, I'm feeling right. The way that chopper hit him, boy, you should have seen it. I'm with your hoe in the towel, like I'm down Venus. We in the office, they got empty when the whole scene is. I still up in the club, I need a 2-liter. I'm in the trap with no work, I ain't even bagging. This be the nigga in 2K, I ain't this game ragging. I be different with it, I don't expect this, but it ain't no surprise. It's time something. I gotta stop.
Cause I'm getting mine.
Just know I'm coming. Block 27 on me, feeling like I'm moving nuts. Big step around this bitch, you know how I'm stopping that bitch. Ride shotgun, she look like what the honest.
I hate to sell people find a wife, that's my purple cousin. Another way to my wood, I be smoking hell, mini Draco with the car. Bitch, I'm open, so I'm through, bitch, with 50 puts in it. Like I broke it. Gotta do a shootout with my daddy, got to joke with my mama, brother, dropping scatter, busting in it like I broke the car. Nigga acting like you on crib, stay in the whole apartment with a roofer clip in the Glock, damn near broke the car. I heard the trucks fly up to the ground when you in Miami. I just up my PJ, took the Johnny up Miami. Sometimes she text me for the drink, but I love my granny. Bitch, you feel the stuff when I pull up, bring some extra panties. Or if you need some deals, you got everything. My bitch still got 40 with a dick, but I ain't been trying to power working in reverse. I just slip my train. Oh, my blood, you gotta feel like cabbage. Yeah, niggas real young, yo, shit.
That should fix the chorus issues. Let's see. Bitch, they all slapping. She the nigga didn't check him, bitch, I ball backwards. I get eyes nasty. It's a party pack. I'ma start relaxing. I'll be walking backwards. I'm drinking raw acting. It came from dog packing. Boom. Oh wait. / upload CSV. Oh, upload emails. All right. We getting there though. It's supposed to be upload emails. Cocky Crown the Stream, good. Yo, I just thought of some. I just fucked this bitch and bought her some. All right, so we should see the file get printed out right here. Let's see. Actually, open up the network tab again. There we go. Here. In there. Upload. Damn, it went yellow. Let's see. Went red. Actually, it's a 400. Let me. Oh, failed to load the resource. 400. What is that? Error 400. Oh, wait. I know it's not something too. Let's see what error 400 is.
She got ass and titties. All that blue flavor in the match shit. It's so good, I almost crashed the bitch. But my girlfriend let her smash it with me.
In the case of the server cannot or will not process the request due to something that is perceived to be a client error. So like I got my request wrong. Let's see. Use that street game.
She want children or something. You ain't shooter got no sense, he been done killed you for nothing. This bitch freaky and a stuffer, put some pills in her onion. Love Balenciagas, I got other flavors, yeah. 100 round drunk look like an alternator. In my pocket, blowing all this heat. I do shows that can't replace you, I want other paper. Bitch, I do a song with God if you got the paper. If it's enough paper on his head, I'll drop the mayor. I tripped off them bars and then I shot a baby. I ain't lacking when I shop, I got the Glock in Macy's. I put the badges on the stack, wasn't that basic. Front and back pockets full of paper, but I'm not a little baby. This sign your life away, how you are the label. Freddy on the door to knock you out, like Javante Davis. Pussy cheap as fuck, she gave me the top for A. Out of time, me one plug, I had to stop in Vegas, yeah. Gotta smack the tree, I'm drinking walking raven. So that my baby 21 might call power Navy. I'm talking nigga like I'm popping perks. They get people go, but y'all got Glock in church, nigga. 40 in my pants like I'm rocking merch. Had to run from the club, we ran out of work. This ain't a clean walk, bitch. This not gonna change the bitch. Talking about drink green walk. Oh, you know what it is. We riding around with that cold ass Glock and drop the bodies with it. Hit him in his top. You shot this bitch. You not a killer. Get up, boy, for life. Bitch, that's what I claim. 100 rounds on the new AR. Why I gotta add? 9 days, 20, 30,000. I be pocket change. Finna buy a whole case of triggers, but then a walkie came. I finna fuck my bitch, but then her mama came. Now I'm finna bust her mama down and spit a lot of game. I was finna hit the bitch rough, but then some problems came. Still when I was broke, I made a hand and the problems came. Poppy back from Lewis, then the doctor came. We be sitting back, you drinking close, that's not the same. I got my arm, they got Obama name.
All right, this is fetch. This should work like that now. Let's see.
I be sipping too much drink, I almost got divorced. All I want for Christmas is a pie and fork. Brand new 911 Porsche, I call it Martin Lawrence.
405.
You forgot I hit that bitch before she was your bitch. Either way, you was getting off, I was leaving your crib.
I tell you, bitch, look at me when I'm speaking to you.
It's a lot of real shit I've been meaning to do. You couldn't dance like me if you needed to groove. Yes, I set the time, you niggas needed some moves.
Yes, I set the tone, chop the thing, make it tone. I said, do it. Shoot it. The fuck wrong with dog? We don't fuck wrong with y'all. Oh, it's not even coming to the segment. Oh shit, that's why.
Can't get it for her last time that we laid up. Came out the bathroom, she was on my Facebook, caught the right hand.
Hit her with a straight hook. Dance and get money on. Nigga to come home. Man, something wrong. Now we do real niggas dance moves, nigga. You can't touch those. That's my touch those. Bad request. All right. See ya. Trap looking like the gun by the gumbo. I do my dance way better than you do, so it's we do it. Even though you don't want me to do it in about 5 minutes with me. Hey, illegal with these straps. Hey. Still illegal with these straps. Hey. Illegal with these straps. Hey. Request citation. So saying upload emails, just giving the back up 400. You try to hit that bitch before she was your bitch. For the local host. Let's see if that works. This is tricky.
She wants a lean, a Mary, jeans, 80 a G, 60 a bed. Strips in my jeans, fuck a vacation if you going to Tennessee. I tell my wife,
Safari might be canceled. Let's see what Firefox talking about real quick. Auntie said when you done, boy, wash them dishes. Pull up in the trenches. Let's get back to business. It's not even hitting that hoe. Color that Lewinsky. Put that nigga Ricky. I don't care if it's church, I'm taking it with me. Fuck that bitch, my name was Bobby, I'm serving her with me. Scripts in my jeans. Fuck a vacation, bitch, we going to Tennessee. I told my white boy, you the real MVP. No, what you want? I'm trying to buff and they turn for me. Rolling for one, don't say shit to police. This shit not even hitting the back end server, dog. I hate this fucking cross origin shit. Like, this should always make it hard to develop locally. But you gotta fix that shit though, so you can develop locally. This shit tripping up. Let's see. It's not like the code don't work. It's literally cross origin is preventing it. Bruh. Oh, .js. What the fuck are you .js, bro? I'm just trying to load .js. Niggas making confessions like they usher. All right, so now we actually hitting this service.
I'm quick to jump on jets like these niggas jump in Ubers. I'm quick to spend 100 on my wrist, now I look stupid. Surprised I ain't got pneumonia from this fucking Cuban. I can go and do a show and drop new pennies like Lil Uzi. Quick to see potential, take the young and knock it down track. Get on with the low, do your thing, just remind back some niggas run up, hide out. If they mama whack the chopper with his baby Hellcat, so you can't dodge that. Oh, I was like my new watch, bitch a skeleton. With the ice box, she got lit up like Thomas Edison. Still live when you reach for that. You just cheated left that half T, half B, shame 50 sheets of milk. Quick to ask her bitch what she gon' do for this 2,000 stacks piled in the closet. Is that money in her mouth? Joy Road nigga, drink Texas, blow Compton. Keep reporting chopper stolen, it won't come back when we drop them. I'm quick to hit that road, get that bag like I should. I'm quick to bring it back, spread it out, feed the woods. I'm quick to turn the bitch house to a stash, leave a brick in there. Quick to put that cat up on Big Beaver and leave 10 in there. Niggas get locked up and make confessions like they usher. I'm quick to tell these niggas catch up track, I look like mustard. These bitches call me Zeus, I hit the club and make it perfect. I'm quick to make that money, kind of stop up, bring the plug. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't quick to do nothing. I gotta think strategic, gotta move with my stomach. Like how this nigga free and he got caught with a dozen. Now he asking me to front him, I don't trust him, so it's fuck. Find out where he at, get the info to my cousin. Niggas drugging, we be hustling. Niggas broke and say they thugging. Bitch, I'm balling, you be nugging. Bitches falling and they shoving. When we walking in the club, yeah, this water costs a dub. The same fuck rap. They call my old plug. The cool made me hear it, quick to fall in love. Quick to count 100,000, quick to flip 100 pounds. When we get on quick to tell you slow your ass down. You slow by the chain, but you pick the upload. I told you would do it quick, I paid the fool for the mug. I'm quick to say the watch, stay in play, cause I'm grown. Change my mind and get that motherfucker.
This whole tripping.
Hit that road, get that bag like I should. I'm quick to bring it back, spread it out, feed the woods. I'm quick to turn the bitch house to a stash, leave a brick in there. Quick to put that cat up on Big Beaver and leave 10 in there. Niggas get locked up and make confessions like they usher. I'm quick to tell these niggas catch up track, I look like mustard. These bitches call me Zeus, I hit the club and make it perfect. I'm quick to make that money, kind of stop up, bring the plug.
Bro, that's not helping. Come on, so damn close. I just need to get it down on the back end. We'd be cool for this string. We gonna get this shit right. Bro, what is this tripping for? Got the fucking file. So now she running fetch.
Just counted up 20 racks, my new Rollie worth 10K. Hit the bar through 20 stacks, got 20 traps.
Let's go,
yeah. Shot it out with a fuck nigga that wanted beef cause he full of hate. I put cheese on a nigga head. If you wanna eat, come on your plate. Any problems my niggas saw. Running shit like my niggas jaw. 50 G's in a pillowcase. Since money talk, that's pillow talk.
Bro,
Sippin' acne, I'm trippin' happy. How Molly, I'm dippin' happy. Never smile, but I'm trigger happy. How you missing, fella? Green guy, but I'm trippin', nigga. Straight blood, but I'm sippin', nigga. Shout out to my blood niggas.
Thank you, man. Get your nigga.
Do the math, 2 6s, nigga. Money all day, count. Money all day, count. Money all day, money all day. Every time my line ring, it's 10 5, it's the money fall. Every time my line ring, it's 10 5, it's the money fall. I'm on my money fall. Bitch, I'm on my money fall.
Every time my line ring, it's 10-5, it's the money phone.
Money all day, count. Money all day, count. Money all day, count. Money all day. Turn up, my white buffy's the whitest. 40 hours the highest. Cream soda so purple, I stay acting up like sinus. Y'all niggas just bitch niggas. My money fall as a giant. I stay copping workers, I'm buying. Rest in peace, the green got Ryan up. You can ask my clientele. I'm alive cause I'm buying better. In the drink, I'm high as hell. My bitch rolling, she high as well. Pray to God that I beat this case. Start trial in a couple weeks. Shoot a nigga like 40 times. They gon' wrap his body in a couple sheets. I'm in the bar, off the bar, standing on the tail. I'm up to speed. I live that life, it's no fairy tale. Name one nigga that can fuck like me. Bitch, I fuck the street niggas. I charge niggas to cut the D. I hang with dudes that ice a nigga. Soon as they touch the heat. Money all day, count. Money all day, count. Money all day, money all day. Every time my line ring, it's 10 5, it's the money fall. Every time my line ring, it's 10 5, it's the money fall. Bitch, I'm on my money fall. Bitch, I'm on my money fall. Every time my line ring, it's 10 5, it's the money fall. Money all day, count. Money all day, count. Money all day, count. Money all day, turn up. My man ain't no hoe. Bitch, my daddy ain't no hoe. Bitch, my brother ain't no hoe. I'm trying to play me like a hoe. Bitch, my mama ain't no hoe. My daddy ain't no hoe. My family ain't no hoe.
I'm finna use Axios.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fetch don't wanna work. Use Axios.
Bitch, I'm on my money file. Every 10 years old, I was playing mortgage, bitch. I was throwing the money like blood money. Now a nigga blood money, everything I own back. Walk before you run. Running red light, smoking weed like Tommy Guns. Fucking up my lungs. Pocket full of honey buns. I ain't
Come on,
talking to
listen.
me, and that's real talk. I do this shit for my real, yeah, it's real trap stars, traffic cuz, and I'm breaking flippers. And my niggas, lock behind bars, you see the all ball for y'all. 24s, 26s, 26s.
Get that ass cocked up.
I ain't got time to waste. Bitch, I'm on the paper chase. Got kids to feed, got bills to pay. I ain't got time to play.
This shit real out here.
From over the city, bitch, you get killed out here. I ain't stopping till I get a couple meals out here.
Fine as hell. Appreciate you, man. Got this fucking error right now. Got me stuck. That package just came in. Get that load. All I like is bougie hoes. 400 means the request is malfunction hustle. You're sending bad or unexpected data to server. Checking or tab in the browser. See if you can find the post request. And the go to send this to see what's wrong with it. Quick look over the code suggestion. Fashion in that format. To form that image.
She said, what's that in your dream? Talk that little bitch about day. Funny, you can't sue me. I don't want no hit for free. Baby, I pay the fee.
I told her it's the basic things. Nigga, I'm posted in the motherfucking red zone. Took a little bitch on 7 Mile to get some egg rolls. LBJ, at least she got the witness. Had them boys fake that like they ran with Diddy. Me and you boy a big difference. Got the bone stick under the hood. Shit, funny. Yeah. Okay, different error this time. All like a bougie hoe. Oh, wait. Boom. We got the foul. Let's go. We got the foul. We got the foul. We got the foul. We got something interesting out here on the front end. It says type error. Response.json is another function. Undefined. Shit. Good ass break. All right, bet. Gonna work on the Python when I come back. Smoke. That was stressful. You got it though. Boom. Got our message back. Hello world. We got the okay. It's cool. So now what we need to do is just save this into the GitHub repo and then get back at it. So basically what we're able to do is if we come back here, this is the main app. The app gonna load. We can go upload emails or upcoming emails, recently sent emails, or we could go check the upload, or we could go, upload an email. Then we go upload an email. We click this button, upload the CSV file right here. You press upload. You come to the back end. You see that the back end has the CSV file right there. So now what we're gonna do in the back end when we come back is actually extract the data out the CSV file and save it into the database, and that will generate us an email list. Totally dope. All right, so that's what we're gonna do when we get back. But right now, what we need to do is go ahead and push this stuff to GitHub. So git status. Get add dash A. So we want all of that. Get push or get commit. Gotta write to a commit message. Basically updated the code to accept a route for uploading emails. Then git push origin or GitHub name. Boom. That just updates our code over here. Let's see. Thousands. Only right now. If I go to the marketing bot, you'll see that the code just got updated 26 seconds ago. Right here. Entry.py and app.py and routes.py got updated. All right, cool. So now what we need to do is actually connect this repository to our front end because our front end not even got a repository connected to it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So if we do git status, it'll say fatal, not a git repository. So let's take an ls real quick, and you'll see that here are all our front end files. So what we can do is say git init, boom, just initialize this as a git repository. Let's do git remote. Well, first let's do git. Well, this tells you everything you need to do right here. So git remote add. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Git remote add. Boom. Added that. So if I say git remote, now, oh wait, it says origin. But git remote move origin. So now if I say git remote, origin is gone, it's not there anymore, don't show up. All right, so, but I kind of want to rerun that command. But instead of origin, it should be GitHub. That's how I like to call mine. Boom, GitHub. So now if I say git remote, you can see that GitHub is there. So now I can go git branch and change my branch name to main, like that. Then I can go ahead and say git status, and all of those are not added. So let's go git add dash A, and then add a commit, and let's just say we created the home page, home and upload page. Like that, and go ahead and push it, git push, GitHub main. Boom. All right, we come back over here, we refresh it, and now our code is there. Let's get it. I will link this once the project is all done. You'll have it all. But pretty much, we getting far. We got a lot of stuff so far. Just these 3 buttons lead to another page. We're going to have to clean that up again. But yeah, we can come back. Then we'll focus on this Python over here, adding stuff to the database. All right. Sorry it took so long on this one, but shit, we out. I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.